During a single night of sleep, your body replaces billions of cells, repairs broken down muscular tissue, releases various hormones, and your brain processes all the new knowledge you've collected throughout the day. Sleeping accounts for anything from a quarter to a third of your life, so it's a relatively significant and remarkable process that influences everything from your energy levels to how quickly you age and your body's ability to develop muscle and burn fat. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video is about what happens to your body when you sleep. Science-based. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. So, we'll look at scientific data to see what happens to your body while you sleep. While you sleep, how might you improve your sleep to utilize your body's inherent rechargeable battery fully? When you look closer, you'll notice that sleep is not a steady-state process in which your body remains in the same state the entire time. Instead, you go through 4 or 5 sleep cycles lasting 70 minutes to 2 hours each during a typical night's sleep. Each of the sleep cycles has 4 distinct sleep stages. The first 3 stages comprise non-rapid eye movement or NREM. Meanwhile, the 4th stage consists of rapid eye movement, REM. To give you an example in a graph, here's what a night of sleep looks like when you go through 5 90-minute cycles. As you can see, you spend most of your time in non-REM stage 3 during the first cycle. However, as you progress through your night's sleep, you will spend less time in non-REM stage 3 and more time in REM sleep. Different things will happen to your body as you progress through the stages. The first stage of the sleep cycle is a transition phase from wakefulness to sleep. Your heartbeat, breathing, and eye movements slow down during this brief phase of relatively light sleep, which lasts a few minutes, and your muscles rest with only occasional twitches. Your brain, on the other hand, will remain very active, producing high-amplitude theta waves, which are sluggish brain waves that occur primarily in the frontal lobe. Even if your brain still functions, your brain waves will begin to slow from regular daytime alertness. It is now straightforward to wake someone up while they are in stage 1 sleep. People frequently say they stay awake if they are woken up while still in stage 1 sleep. You may have noticed this while lightly drifting in and out of sleep while watching a TV show before turning it off and moving on. Go to sleep by moving forward in the sleeping cycle. So, as you turn off the TV and drift deeper into sleep, you enter stage 2 sleep, during which the body relaxes even more. Remember, this is still considered light sleep compared to later stages, but your heartbeat and breathing rate will reduce even more. Further, your muscles will relax even further. Your eye motions will halt, and your body temperature will fall. All of these changes will cause your body's total energy consumption to decrease. This is primarily due to your muscles becoming significantly less active and other internal processes slowing down. During this stage, your brain will also begin to create bursts of rapid rhythmic activity called sleep spindles. Sleep spindles are thought to be necessary for memory consolidation. This activity is where your brain receives, processes, and filters fresh memories from the previous day. This is also one of the reasons why getting adequate sleep is essential for a student. If you get enough sleep, your brain will be able to retain more of what you've learned. The same is said for any new thing you're attempting to learn and remember. Sleep is essential for assimilating that information. As you progress through the sleep cycle, you will reach stage 3, often known as profound sleep. The first half of the night is when you spend the most time in deep sleep, with each cycle of stage 3 lasting roughly 20 to 40 minutes. However, when you sleep more, the stage 3s become shorter, and you spend more and more time in REM sleep. If you've ever tried to wake someone up but weren't exceptionally responsive, that individual was most likely in stage 3 of the sleep cycle. As the body relaxes, muscle tension, heart rate, and breathing rate fall even more. During this stage, your brain activity follows a distinct pattern known as delta waves. As a result, stage 3 is also known as delta sleep or slow wave sleep. This stage 3 section of the sleep cycle is the most vital, helping your body to heal and expand. Slow wave sleep, for example, has been linked to significant improvements in bodily restitution processes, notably protein synthesis. Because protein synthesis is essential for recovery from workouts and muscle building, this is the most critical stage of sleep for muscle building. Stage 3 is also considered vital for the health of your immune system and various other body processes. While brain activity is lowered during this period, studies show that deep sleep helps with creativity and analytical thinking. This is intriguing since, in many modern countries, hard work takes precedence over rest, so some people go through sleep deprivation every week to keep up with work expectations. Getting enough sleep makes you less creative, productive, and effective at problem solving at work. Aside from improving your critical thinking abilities, your brain will also consolidate declarative memories such as general knowledge, facts or statistics, personal experiences, and other things you've learned throughout Stage 3. Then we go to Stage 4, often known as REM, which stands for Rapid Eye Movement. This stage is named this way because, as the name says, it is associated with fast eye movements. This is also the period of the sleep cycle when you are most prone to have dreams. Although dreams can occur at any stage of the sleep cycle, they are more common and intense during REM sleep. Interestingly, the type of dream you have might be influenced by the location of the sleep cycle in which you are while having that dream. According to a 2004 study published in the Journal of Learning and Memory, goals in the REM sleep period are more creative, immersive, or weird than dreams in earlier stages. Also, because Stage 4 is prolonged in later cycles of your night's sleep, it explains why you may frequently wake up in the middle of a dream. Returning to the previous graph, we can see that you can wake up in the middle of REM sleep several times during the night. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.